In this video, I will show you how to sign into HBO Max on your phone. So there's basically 4 steps. First, you will need to download the HBO Max app. From there, simply open up the app, and when you first do that, you will see this. So just click on sign in. Then here, enter the email address associated with your HBO Max account. Now this strategy works if you signed up using an email address and password. If you didn't, so you signed up through another provider, for example, a cable, satellite, or streaming service, then what you will need to do is under don't have an HBO Max account yet, click on create an HBO Max account. Now from there, it will then show you different providers. So here under connect your provider, you can see for me it's Prime Video. That's the one that's available in the Netherlands. For you, there will probably be more if you're from the US, for example. But just going to click on the provider that is associated with your account, if that's the case. And in this case, it's Prime, which is, of course, owned by Amazon. So then I would need to sign in with my Amazon account. And then I could also sign in right here. Even if I already have an account, you still want to go and click on create an HBO Max account if you have created your account through a different provider. But otherwise, just enter your email address and then you can enter your password, or you can get a code instead sent to your email address. And after doing that, you will then be signed into your HBO Max account. So now you know how to sign into your HBO Max account, whether you signed up through email or through another provider, such as, again, cable, satellite, or a different streaming service. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.